Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Face ID not working in iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in settings scroll down. You will see click on Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode. Now here scroll down and set up Face ID. Get ready, show your face. So it's Face ID or your Face ID is working. If go back, you will check your Face ID is working. If it not working, so again click on settings. Now here click on general. Now here click on software update. Now here you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, so update your software latest. After the updating, go back, and if you want to check your Face ID is working, if it not working still, so again click on settings. Now in settings scroll down, click on general. Now here scroll down, you will see transfer or reset iPhone. So click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset all setting. Enter your passcode. Reset all setting. It's just reset all setting. It's not delete your phone memory and data. After the restarting, go back. You will check your Face ID is working. So that's how you can fix Face ID not working in iPhone 17 Pro Max. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.